Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be setting up and reviewing the Chihiros WRGB 2 Slim Series Bluetooth LED Aquarium Grow Light. I purchased this WRGB or white, red, green and blue LED lamp from Chihiros as I was getting over my boring one colour LED light, which I could only run for a few hours because the brightness was causing too much algae growth. I wanted something which would make the colours of the fish and moss pop, and I also wanted to have control over the brightness of the lamp. My tank is 70 litres with a top span of 60 centimetres, but instead of choosing the WRGB 60 centimetre, I chose the 45 centimetre, as I didn't think it was necessary for the light to span the whole 60 centimetres. I also have saved around about $100 with this option while still getting plenty of light coverage. The light is relatively easy to set up. It comes with 2 Allen keys, 4 screws and 4 grub screws for locking the arms into place. There's a power adapter, transformer and some instructions also. This 45 centimetre version has arms that are able to extend out and grab the edges of my 60 centimetre tank. It's just a matter of adjusting to get everything nicely centred. You'll need to download the Bluetooth app called My Chihiros so that you're able to control all the light settings. With this app, you can set up a profile of your aquarium to keep track of water changes, last time fertilised, filter maintenance, last trim and more. You can also share pictures of your aquarium setup online with others. There's a customise, manual and auto mode where you can choose from differently programmed light presets. And you can also have the option to set a timer for your light to turn on and off and manage everything conveniently from your phone. There are 30 LEDs, 1800 luminous flux, 35 watt power and 50,000 hours of operation. I'll leave a brief description below about the white, red, green and blue colour spectrums of this light and how they benefit the aquarium. I love the way the colours of the fish and moss really pop now, and so far I can happily recommend this product. I'll leave some links to where you can purchase this Chihiros WRGB 2 Slim and read up on other customer reviews. Also, if you like the landscape in my aquarium, I'll leave a link to the company that created it for me. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until then, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy fish keeping.